Okay, this is kind of a, I don't know, kind of an unboxing video. I got this power supply for another project. However, if you'll notice, I have my storage beast out of the rack. Didn't want to do it, but I was having some issues logging into the BMC/IPMI. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to look over some things, making sure there's nothing out of the ordinary with how everything's seated in there, and I will probably reseat the CPU, and I will probably upgrade the cooler to the new cooler I bought recently. And in the process, I might just go ahead and put this bad boy in. That 700 watt one was just like, it is, you know, it's in there, it works. I don't know, this is an 80 plus gold, and the other one's just like 80. That's it. So it's, yeah, not even the most efficient power supply, and this is a little bit more. Yeah, it's a couple of steps up. I think there's bronze, then you got your gold and platinum and titanium, and I'm not springing for a platinum unless I have to. And this has more power, and hopefully I'll be able to plug in all the connectors on the board. Anyway, in the next shot or video, I will be demonstrating me tearing apart my wire work and redoing this. So, bye. Forgot I was going to unbox this, so I didn't go into this yet. I just took the packaging off, the cellophane wrap. It had my address, and I know you guys love me so much, but I don't know if I want any fan mail. So, anyway, I get this to where I can open it up. Whoop, there we go. We're opening it. I have not looked at this yet, so okay. I got the instructions. How to plug in your GPU. Well, that's important. If you plug that in wrong, you might have problems. So, got that. Got our lovely Cooler Master power supply. I haven't had any problems with Cooler Master stuff. So I actually have a Cooler Master that's really old that I may use for another project, but it's not going to be for anything right now, especially not this one. So I've got all of our cables, and hopefully we have enough Molex. And the reason why that's important to me is because I have Molex to SATA adapters. So I'll get into that in a minute. Do not eat. Do not eat. Screws. Let's see if I can get this out of here without ripping things apart. Yeah, it just came in one bundle. Anyway, there's your power supply. There's the model. I only have one hand to work with, so I'm not going to deal with that. I will, however, you might get to see me cut a cable on camera. That'll be fun. This will be a really short-lived segment if that's the case. Looks like we're fine. Anyway, so these are, looks like Molex and SATA, and I think that plugs into the power supply itself. Well, it looks like it does. You know, each of these power supply manufacturers, they do things a little differently, so I guess it shouldn't be surprising. Let's take the twist X off here. If you're lucky enough, you might get to see a cameo from my cat again. So turn into cat video. Oh, cat video. Yeah. She's very pretty. I love my kitty. Yes, I am a big Sasquatch, and I am absolutely enthralled with this little beast. She is my little beast. You know what? What am I saying? I don't need the Molex. Oh man. I'm dumb. Well, you know, I think I do have Molex to SATA, but it doesn't matter. No, the other ones are SATA, which I have. I have one, and it looks like it has 4 connectors on it, like the other one. So I think I'll need 2 of those for sure. And 2 for sure, right? How much does it come with? Came with that one Molex, you just saw that. It comes with 3 of those. So I could effectively plug 24 drives directly into it. There's more. There's more. There's more. Where's this? What's this? That is, looks like a PCI something. PSU CPU. And yeah, so I'm missing one on the other power supply. So PCIe, and yes, that's what I'm looking for. Now I can have the whole thing powered up. More PCIe. And this. Now, this is laughable. All these fully modular power supplies. Now, I can think of a reason. But generally speaking, this is not optional. This is not optional. Ever. Ever. Because how are you going to power your computer without this? Maybe they're not. You know what? I could be wrong. I could be wrong. There's weird stuff out there, and there's other use cases for power supplies and powering a computer. You can power a JBOD with a power supply. You just have to short the connectors, but you short them on the end of this cable, and I wouldn't know where to short it on the power supply because the pinouts are not the same from manufacturer to manufacturer. So that would be fun, if not dangerous. But anywho, that's what everything looks like. So I think I am going to switch this out. So that'll be another video. I'll probably shoot that later on at night or something. But there's your unboxing. And just put everything back in. It's not as fancy as the Fantex one. But yeah, it's there. Anyway, yeah, next video.